Hi my dear friends, namaste all of you. And today I came with a new topic friends, that is how to calculate concrete quantities friends. So in this we can calculate M10, M20, M30, M35, whatever it may be, and it is very easy to calculate the concrete quantities friends. Let us see how we can do it. And friends, those who didn't subscribe till now, please subscribe to our channel by pressing red subscribe button and press bell icon to get instant updates friends, that is first updates to you. And coming to the topic friends, our aim to calculate the quantities required for 5 cubic meter friends. We note that dry mortar for 1 cubic meter cement concrete required is 1.54 cubic meters friends. And friends, this is given by the formula equal to volume into ingredients ratio into 1.54 divided by sum of the ratio. What is the volume friends? We have to calculate 5 cubic meter, and we are considering friends M25 grade concrete, that is 1:1:2, that is 1 part of cement and 1 part of sand and 2 parts of aggregate, that is coarse aggregate friends. On summing of these 1 plus 1 plus 2, we will get 4 friends, that is the sum of the ratio is 1 plus 1 plus 2 equal to 4. And materials required are cement, sand and aggregate friends, and we have to simply place the values in the above formula friends, that is volume of the work is 5 into ingredients ratio, that is 1 part, that is cement is 1 part friends, into 1.54, that is the dry mortar quantity friends, that is we have to multiply it 1.54 divided by the sum of the ratio. Sum of the ratio what is friends, that is 1 plus 1 plus 2 is 4 friends, so divided by 4 we will get 1.925 cubic meter friends. So we will get 1.925 cubic meter into what is the density of the cement friends, that is 1440 kgs. 1.925 into 1440, we will get 2764.80 kgs of cement required friends. We will divide it by 50 to get the quantity in bags friends. So on dividing we will get 55.29 friends. And friends, what is the requirement of the sand friends? That is volume of the work is 5 into and sand ratio 1 into 1.54 divided by 4. We will get same friends as the cement quantity, and the same sand quantity is same, that is 1.925 cubic meter friends. And we will convert this into CFT friends, that is 1.925 into 35.29, we will get 67.93 CFT friends. That is the sand required for 5 cubic meter of M25 grade concrete is 67.93 CFT. And finally the coarse aggregate friends. Coarse aggregate required is, here the volume is 5 friends into ingredient ratio, that is 2 into 1.54 divided by sum of the ratio. We will get 3.85 cubic meter friends. 3.85 into 35.29, we will get 135.86 CFT friends. This is the volume required by the coarse aggregate friends. This is the process friends. This is the process of calculating any of the mix friends, that is M5, M10, M15, M12.5, anything friends. You can calculate any of the mix friends. Just we have to consider the what is the volume and ingredient ratio friends. Ingredient ratio is very important. You have to thoroughly check. And this is the process of calculating the friends. And this is today's topic friends. If you like this video, please like, share to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. And please stay tuned to our channel friends, and I will be back with an interesting topic. This is Harish signing off. Bye bye.